Scientists have found that memories may be passed down through generations in our DNA. Research from Emory University School of Medicine in Atlanta has shown that it is possible for some information to be inherited biologically through chemical changes that occur in our DNA. During the test, they learned that mice can pass on learned information about traumatic and stressful experiences. In this case, a fear of the smell of cherry blossom to subsequent generations. According to the Telegraph, Dr. Brian Diaz from the Department of Psychiatry at Emory University said, from a traditional perspective, our results allow us to appreciate how the experiences of a parent before even conceiving offspring, influencing both structure and function in the nervous system of subsequent generations. Such a phenomenon may contribute to the etiology and potential intergenerational transmission of risk for neuropsychiatric disorders such as phobias, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder. This suggests that experiences are somehow transferred from the brain into the genome, allowing them to be passed on to later generations. The researchers now hope to carry out further work to understand how the information comes to be stored on the DNA in the first place. They also want to explore whether similar effects can be seen in the genes of humans. Professor Marcus Pembry, a pediatric geneticist at the University College of London, said the work provided compelling evidence for the biological transmission of memory. He added, it addresses constitutional fearfulness that is highly relevant to phobias, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorders, plus the controversial subject of transmission of the memory and ancestral experience down the generations. He also said, it is about time that public researchers took human transgenerational responses seriously. I suspect that we will not understand the rise of neuropsychiatric disorders, or obesity, diabetes, and metabolic disruptions generally, without taking a multi-generational approach. Professor Wolf Reich, head of epigenetics at the Babraham Institute in Cambridge, said, however, further work was needed before such results could be applied to humans. He said, these types of results are encouraging, as they suggest that transgenerational inheritance exists and is mediated by epigenetics, but more careful mechanistic study of animal models is needed before extrapolating such findings to humans. So I asked the question, is our DNA carrying spiritual and cosmic memories passed down in genes from our ancestors?